All right, guys, we're going to do a unboxing of the brand new Icon 3/4 torque wrench. Goes from 100 to 600 foot-pounds. And let's take a look at it. Nice hinges too, by the way. This nice case. Looks great. And as we can see, the Icon logo. Yeah, forgive me, I had to open it up. And we've got our, oh yeah, they're engraved in there pretty good. Ain't gonna worry about that wearing off. And I believe this thing snaps in here too, really tight. And we've got Newton meters back here, so you don't have to convert. Nice knurled handle. Real smooth though. I'm a machinist, I make knurls. This is like excellent. Way to go, Taiwan. Now, I picked this up today at Harbor Freight for $319. It's regular $399. They have 20% off all Icon hand tools right now. I think it's till November 5th, so get them while you can. That's a good savings on something like this. And let me know what y'all think.